The culprit behind Alaska's rust-colored rivers. Warming climates are causing permafrost to thaw, releasing metal ores trapped within the frozen ground into rivers and streams, turning their waters a rust-like orange. A team of scientists from the U.S. National Park Service, NPS, U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, University of California, Davis, UC Davis, and other organizations recently published findings on Alaska's rusting waterways after nearly 2 years of sampling and research. The study was featured in Nature Communications Earth and Environment on May 20th. John O'Donnell, an ecologist with the NPS and the study's lead author, first noticed this unusual phenomenon in 2018. He observed a river in Alaska turning orange, despite being crystal clear the year before. Since then, the number of orange-tinted rivers and streams has grown significantly, with some now visible from space. By late last year, the scientific community suspected that melting permafrost was the likely cause. As Alaska warms, permafrost, frozen for hundreds to thousands of years, is thawing more rapidly. When metal ores trapped in this frozen ground are exposed to oxygen and water, they react, releasing acids and metals into nearby waterways. While rivers and streams can naturally self-purify and permafrost can refreeze, climate change is hindering these processes. Brett Poulin, an associate professor of environmental toxicology at UC Davis, along with researcher Taylor Evinger, analyzed collected samples and discovered that these orange rivers are becoming increasingly acidic due to the influx of dissolved minerals. Some samples measured a pH of 2.3, far below the healthy regional average of pH 8. The researchers found that the weathering of sulfide minerals is creating acidic and corrosive conditions, which in turn release more metals. Their analysis revealed elevated levels of iron, zinc, nickel, copper, and cadmium in the samples. Iron is one of the most common metals, and it's the primary cause of the color change, Evinger explained. As the climate continues to warm, we expect permafrost to keep melting. Wherever these types of minerals are present, rivers and streams are likely to turn orange and experience declining water quality. These orange waters pose multiple problems. Not only are they toxic, but they can also disrupt fish migration to spawning grounds, said O'Donnell. The team is still uncertain about how orange waterways affect the wildlife that depends on them, as well as the rural Alaskan communities that rely on these streams for drinking water and fishing. They hope to gain deeper insights by the conclusion of their 3-year study.